If you want to create a project which is associated with a lead profile, you can do so from your sales screen using the Finalize drop-down menu. Alternatively, you could just go to the Work Projects Add New option from the main menu as well. Let's try setting up a project for a successful sales conversion. As you can see, WORKetc has already pre-populated some of the information. There is a field here to provide a sales commission. Once this goes to invoicing, you will see this commission displayed in your reporting area. In WORKetc, you can attach any entry to any other entry by selecting something in the Associate With field. Since this is a root project, nothing needs to be selected here for this example. However, if this were going to be created as a subtask underneath a larger parent project, you would just select an option from the Associate With field to link them together. There is a list to append people and employees to your project. Any people you include in the list, even your regular contacts, will be able to interact by posting comments, documents, and viewing progress. This is helpful if you want to invite one or more subcontractors to help you with the project. Let's try creating a multi-phased project. We can ignore the period fields for now. Dates are going to be inherited automatically by the sub-project tasks that we'll create shortly. Color fields are provided for easy reference on your calendar screens. There are a number of options for billing, including fixed price, milestones, timesheet, and also to disable billing completely. Project subtasks are drawn in using the timeline chart. By adjusting the viewport range, you can create tasks spanning over any time period. To add tasks, you can simply click and drag to highlight a period of time. Each subtask is added on a different row. The subtasks can be color-coded to your own preferences if desired. If you want to see a larger region of the time on screen, try the Zoom menu. To resize a task, grab the edge of a task and drag to adjust the size along the timeline. You can also grab it in the center to move the entire task to a different time without changing the duration. Now you can enter a description for the task members. Let's go to the project screen from the main menu. All of the current projects are shown here. You can expand or collapse projects using the glyphs provided, or you can adjust the progress by simply clicking on the slider. The left-hand drop-down provides a set of useful views to see projects for other staff, as well as recently completed items. Also, an inline search field lets you quickly find projects. Now that there is a project attached to the lead, let's look at how to create an invoice. From the Finalize menu, simply hit Create Invoice. You could also use the Add New option from the Finances main menu. Since this was created from a lead, the project and client information has been pre-populated. If you recall, in the Sales Lead instructional video, this company was created without filling out the complete contact information. Let's go ahead and fill it in properly from here. If you wanted to, you could also create a brand new address. In fact, you can create an entire contact directly from your invoice designer. Just type in the name and away you go. There is a space located next to the address to specify a special recipient's name. This is optional, of course. The designer lets us reveal the full item details by clicking the Show Detail link. From here, you can apply tax, find a link back to the original item, or create an item discount. A preview at the bottom of the screen shows you what your invoice is going to look like. You can also pop up a full version by clicking this link. A drop-down box underneath the preview lets you select from multiple different templates. You can define an unlimited number of template designs. You could theoretically use WORKetc to manage more than one business. Now that the invoice is complete, click on Save Changes. There is a set of links which let you email or export as an Acrobat document. You could also use the icons under the toolbar, which also include a print option. Now let's fire it off to the customer. The invoice email is pre-populated for you. You can change this default email template underneath the Settings, Invoicing, Design menu. The client's related contacts are displayed so that you can change the email recipient quickly. To finish, hit Send Invoice.